Sorry, Bimbo. Do you now see that they will now have free 2023 latest version?
Okay. So I
Are
will
you
not
seeing
say
my
you should
screen
go.
now? You
I
see
will not
this
say
one?
you should install
No,
2023 now because of the
no.
issues
I
that.
won't do that. I
Okay.
won't.
So
I won't
because
do
of
that.
it's good that we have 2023, but sometimes I let people, because I go to Google and I put questions in on Google for the latest release of Visual Studio, what issue? Then I will see people, because many of us know how to use this community, and which is the stack. They put comments there to say, please do not install now. I'm having this. Some of them will say, very, very good. I kind of like it. I love it. But because it's a latest version, I don't always like to rush latest version. And yeah, I just take a pause and see if there are going to be issues, because when they do this release, you are the one that do the alpha beta testing for them to say that this is good or not.
Yeah, I
And
think
they
you're
take
right.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, because when new release is just been there,
Yeah,
it's not really uh fully packaged.
exactly.
People are now complaining of some errors. That's when Microsoft start working on those errors. So you are doing their manual testing and giving them feedback.
You are contributing to their testing.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know. Yeah, are you seeing my screen now, Bimbo?
Yes, I can see your
So
screen.
you see visual with this ID
Yeah, yeah, it's
22.
an ID. Yes.
So that's what I want to.
Yeah, click on it. Let's see what you will see. But I'll try to look for what you can. Okay. Let's see. Where you have the download, let's see the drop down.
Community.
Good. So it means that we can see community, we can see professional, and we can see the enterprise. So what you're downloading is actually community version 2022. So if you have the link, if you can put it in the chat for everyone
Oh,
that want to go to that link, yeah, so that they
am
can
I
click
not
on
too?
it.
Am I
And
not too fast
no,
anyway?
it's fine, it's fine. And I think people can also Google as well and put, let's say, Visual Studio Community version 2019 or 2022. Then you will see a lot of suggestion, and yeah, but you're doing well, which is making it more interesting, which is good. It means that you have good broadband and you have a very good device.
Yeah. My device is almost 300 gigs. Yeah. So
Wow. I know that you're
I'm just
ready
asking
to.
for people that because every one of us have different
Yeah,
devices. That's why I'm asking for that. Yeah. So
exactly.
in this
Exactly.
area, I think is this one I need to click.
Yeah. So please wait. Are we, because I don't want you to be too, you can be fast as well. It means that another person can share screen.
No,
And
please don't let me
at
be
least,
fast. I want
no,
every
you
one of
can be
us.
fast. Then when you get to a particular stage, we can take a pause and see who is having issue, so that we are all on the same page. Then we can now proceed further again. Did you get it?
Yeah.
So if
It's
you're
now even
fast,
telling me
then
that is 7.31 gig. So it's
exactly, you can see it's
quite
not
small.
much space. So I think Moses puts it in the chat. Thank you, Moses. So if you click on that link, and yeah, so
sorry,
don't worry.
Abimbola.
Yes.
Yeah, because you are the host, they won't see it except you
Oh,
now
let me do
put
the
it there.
chat. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Oh, sorry. So I'll say everyone. Yes, you can please send it again, Moses. I've enabled the everyone.
You mean I should
Okay.
stop
No,
sharing
it's
and
fine. We can continue. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, Visual Studio Community 2022. So please click on the link, everyone.
I think you have to copy it and post again. It's still
Okay.
showing only direct to you.
Oh, okay. Let me do that. I'll copy it. I don't know how the Zoom is set, but of course, I'll just go with it like that. And so, yeah, can everyone see it now?
Yeah, yours is sent to everyone.
Everyone, thank you, Moses. Yeah, please click on the link and let's do the installation, please. And ask question if you're stuck.
Bimbo, just by the side, though. Are you
Yeah.
using chat GPT?
I have it installed, but I am not using it because there must be a reason why I want to use it. Did you get it? But I will
Because I
say
know,
that I have it, but because I don't know what to use it for at the moment,
yeah,
I just have
and you
it.
know, these people are just rivaling themselves because Microsoft is having their own Capilot chat as well.
Of course, because we need this, because it's going to make Microsoft is. I kind of like them because they don't want to be left behind. Now they see ChatGPT, they say, okay,
Challenging them.
good. We are going to do our own, and we will call it GitHub Copilot Chat, which is good. Microsoft have almost taken, I won't say everywhere, every company is using it, but trust me, they are doing well.
But
They
Google is
are
giving them a
doing
run for
well.
their money.
Exactly, they are doing well. Microsoft, fantastic. But sometimes it can be so annoying because you cannot log into Azure at the same time with different accounts. It will tell you to sign out from one before you can use it. And even after you sign out, you still not see the organization. You'll need to click on that particular click here. So a lot of security is on it, which most companies go for because of the security that they have. And you know, work nowadays, they maintain security.
When two American company cannot trust themselves, that and they are fighting with Chinese small nations, they can't trust
You also
themselves
do
in
not trust
I think it's
security
everybody.
good.
issue.
The competition is
Even you
good.
yourself.
Exactly.
You
Do you
trust
trust
everybody.
yourself?
No, me, I trust Bimbo, so I won't rival.
Yeah.
I won't rival
Okay.
our
If
products.
you trust me, okay. Okay. Don't know.
I will only add to your maybe to test your product and know where the defect is.
Okay. So yeah. While the installation is going on, are we on the same page? Who is having issue? QAs? Is anyone having issue of the installation issue? Please. That is why this class is there, so that everybody will be on the same page. Nobody's ahead. So if you miss the class, please, you might not be on the same page with everyone. But if you're in the class, we will try to be on the same page so that everybody understand it. QAs?
I think everybody is busy.
No, the session will not be repeated if everybody is busy. The reason is because for the tutor taking time to teach this, and if everyone is busy, trust me, there will not be tomorrow class for automation.
I mean, busy
Even,
installing, that's what I mean. Busy installing, busy doing
yes, but it will be
installation.
good if we unmute and say that we are, yeah, installing, or we don't have issue. But yeah, because sometimes you might find out that some people are not following. By the time you now want to start another training session, you just hear, oh, I didn't join the previous class. How do I start the installation? So those type of people, you will see them. It means that they just want us to go back. And I think for people like
That's the
that,
travel of a teacher.
exactly. So for people like that, I would have said that people that are even in this meeting, maybe they are at work, is okay, but please try to watch the video. It might be tiring to watch it. Please, it's necessary you watch it.
Have you uploaded the video already?
No. It will be uploaded after the
lesson today.
Yes.
Okay.
Either by me or Mr. Deji. If it's by me, that means it will be on my local device. If it's by him, that means he's going to his own local device as the administrative CEO of the Zoom.
Bimbo, quick question. Are you able to send the slides as well,
Yes.
please?
No, the slide is for the training. So, and I don't think he shared the slide before with everyone. So, you know, when we have training like that, he always use the slide. So, because I'm part of his team, so I fortunately have that slide. And I don't think he remembered that I have the slide, but I have to use it for this training. So, but what I did was that I have my own slide as well that I use, which I can share. But it might not, maybe I did not finish it, but at least I tried to put something there. But I will not promise so that if I did not find it, I will not be held responsible. But I will look for it. If I can find a slide, I will share with everyone. But this particular one is for Blue Sky Citadel.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So are you actually doing your installation?
Yeah. Hello, Bimbo.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. After the link, which one is it? Starting with Visual Studio is the one that I'm going to click thereafter.
Okay. If Kayode can stop sharing, you might need to share back Kayode, but
Okay.
because some people need to show their screen, sometimes when people have issue, it's good that we see what issue it is, like the question is asking. So we kind of rotate it. If you share, you stop sharing because the installation is going on, and another person have the opportunity to share screen again. Did you get it? So today class might be all about installation. Don't worry, we will carry on again. So if today is all about installation, depending on how fast we are and the response, and yeah, then the next class will now be, we will start our tests. So please, if you can share your screen, let's see the issue.
Okay.
Please. And if you can put it on the QA platform, the issue you are having, screenshot, please. So that any mentor pick it up and tell you what to do. So QAs, please. How many of us are doing the installation? How many of us are not doing the installation? Please, we need to unmute. It's good. Okay.
Sorry, did you use
Did
the
you go
link
to
that
the
was
link?
shared?
Pardon?
Did you go to the link that was shared?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which browser are you using?
Google Chrome.
Okay. So you might need to scroll down and see whether you will see a button to say something about install.
I think you need to go back to the link and click again.
Okay. You actually downloaded. Can you see you have the exe?
Oh,
So
it's
it means
downloaded.
that
Yeah, I can see it
you
down
have
there.
clicked on something. What have you actually clicked on?
I think I click on download as I don't know that I can't find
So,
it again.
Click backward.
but we can see it on the
It's
screen.
there.
We can see it at the bottom. So what did you click on? Because we need to know so that you don't finish installing a wrong version.
The
Because
community,
it means that
I click on the community version 2022.
oh, good. Now click on the Visual Studio setup.exe in your task bar. At the bottom, you know where you have the
Down at the bottom.
show all
You
at
see
the
where it
bottom.
says show all. The base.
Bottom of your laptop.
Okay.
Yeah, you see when you download things and it shows there.
Okay, yeah, I've seen it, yeah. Okay.
Exactly. Double click on it. Yeah, double click.
So
it's coming up, which is good. Yeah. So when you're sharing your screen, please always share everything on your screen. But because if you're trying to share a particular screen, we might not see what and what, because at the moment I'm seeing blank screen.
Yeah, because it's showing me now. It said, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, you need to select yes, and please share the full or everything on your laptop. Good, so that we can see. Yeah. So click on continue, which is the installer that you're meant to see.
Okay.
Okay, you can see it's downloading, which is fine.
Thank you.
After this one, you will see the workload, and you need to select .NET Desktop Development and click on install while downloading, and you will see a button on the right, install, and click on install. Then we'll be on the same page as Coyote. Did you get it?
I get that. Is this installing now?
Okay, don't worry. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
So this is getting real now. This is what we do at work. Now, you will see this screen. Now, check that box, please. Check the .NET Desktop Development. You're actually there. Yes,
okay, yeah.
that's one. Yeah. So you will see by default, some are checked for you. So don't worry about that. Just click on install and you see install while download is already shown. So click on install. Good.
Okay.
So who is having issue or who wants to share screen? Because this might take 1 or 2 or 3 minutes. Keyways?
I can share mine.
Okay, you can stop sharing so that give an resolve issue for another person.
But I'm somewhere now.
Yes.
Okay,
you will share screen after.
Okay.
After we resolve this issue so that we can carry on.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to stop sharing Olusegun.
Okay, I've stopped it.
Thank you. Now you can share your screen and we can see the issue. Okay, you're actually ahead of the class, which is good. And this is well done. You've almost done everything.
That's where I am now.
Okay, so are you the one sharing screen, Kayode?
No, it's not me. That's where I am now.
So, okay, so it's good. You're actually ahead of the class. So who is actually on this page, apart from Olusegun that is installing the Visual Studio?
I say me, Kayode, I'm there as well.
Okay, don't worry. You might share your screen.
So
Akinola, where are you, Akinola? Because some of us, we need to call us before we know that some people are shy, I will not lie. And some of us, we need our name to be called, that we need to be on the same page. So some of us are already thinking, can I do this, please? If you're in this training and you're thinking like that, please, we are here to support and encourage. Okay. Akinola, where are you?
I'm shy.
I'm
a body.
Let me stop sharing.
Okay.
Abimbola Akinola he's a master of play. He's a boss.
I'm learning. You see, Rexford, when you have issue, just message him. Trust me, he will break down all your tests for you. He is very, very good. He did the last training, but trust me, if you see his framework, he's very, very robust. Meaning that he's ready to start working now.
All thanks to Abimbola. All thanks to Abimbola. She is our guru, our Lord.
Yeah, I'm learning too. I'm learning because Rexford did a training. He is very, very good. That training, I learned a lot from it as well. Thank you, Rexford.
Thank you, Abimbola. Thank you.
Okay.
It's Rexford. Rexford is a guru as well, indeed. I can attest to it.
Abimbola, can I share? One of your body. he is one of your body, but he
Yeah,
is
yeah,
our
yeah.
automation guru as well. So if you're having issue, please reach out to him or put your
Yes.
screenshot in the chat, and when you see, you can. And we also have other bodies as well that can also resolve issue that you're having.
Abimbola Akinola as well. Akinola.
Yes, Akinola. Yes, please.
I'm learning to, that's what I'm learning.
Because Akinola don't talk. You know, some people, they are in the meeting, they don't talk. So it's very difficult to spot them. So one of them is Akinola, but Rexford is very easy to spot him because you always see him learning one or two things or picking messages and trying to put a reply there and say, please, you can do this, you can do that. Also, Moses is also doing the same since he started as well, and which is good. But Akinola, you need to also step up by maybe, don't be shy. You said it, and yeah.
Sorry, Abimbola, can I share?
Yes, please. Please do.
Okay.
So we can do this for 5 minutes, then yeah, we will share our screen again. Maybe Kayode will share or Adedayo will share. We can proceed to second step, which is the spec flow installation. But if you're ahead as well, you can continue. So sign into Visual Studio Good. You need
Should
to
I
click
sign in
on
or skip
sign in.
it? Okay.
So have you installed this? It means that you've done something before you can see this screen.
Everything Kayode did after downloading. This was what the page
Some
that
of
came.
us are even, we will say pro ahead. So good. Put your Microsoft account name there, and yeah.
Bimbo, I didn't sign in. I just skip.
No, you will still sign in.
Okay.
So you
But
will still sign
do you
in.
mean I
Yeah.
will come back or meet it in?
No. You will share your screen after he has finished. Then we can continue from yeah. But the good thing about his screen sharing is that some of us, when we are here, we will know. Because in my screenshots, you can see that I said in the development setting, you need to click on the drop down. You know where you have the development setting?
Yeah, this one here?
Click on the drop down and select Visual C#.
Okay, that one.
Yeah, click on it and select your screen theme. So if you want the dark one,
I'll do the
fine.
dark one.
Okay, now you can start Visual Studio.
Okay. Let me maximize the screen. It's a bit.
Okay. Okay. So let's see what you have. Good. So Kayode, are you on this page? Because the next step is to integrate.
No.
So if you stop sharing after, so that it can also be on the same.
Okay, I'll stop sharing.
Excuse me, Bimbo, can I share my screen?
You can see
I have a
them now. They are
problem.
talking now. So now share your screen, Billy, or who's sharing screen?
I think I've been.
Okay, let's continue
it.
with Kayode then.
Okay.
You will share next, Billy. So now you have.
I'm still far behind.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Okay, far behind. Okay, no problem. So now, I think what you need to do is to close it and launch it again. It's very, very important. Close it.
Close this one.
Close your Visual Studio and restart Visual Studio again, not restart your browser. Just close it. Yeah, close the installer. Also, it's fine. It will still pop up for you. Now type no, don't click on any installation again. Yeah.
Do you still need minutes? Because this meeting is closing in 4 minutes, right?
Oh, we need it.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
might need to continue these sessions. I know that we
Yeah,
have not
I
started
do.
any tests. We are still
I
doing
do.
the setup.
I do know this is one of those things that take like a whole,
Yeah,
a whole day. So
exactly.
maybe what is going to happen is, yeah, we have to do a workshop, right? So that
Yeah.
everyone gets to kind of install their own stuff. So let's see what we are able to do. I'll still leave this session open for another 1 hour, right? After
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
So let's see if you're able to get everyone. If not, then we'll see what we can do. But we need to, yeah, let's leave it for now anyway. So there are only 6 or 7 people in this meeting that you need to pay attention to, right?
Yeah. Yeah. The
So,
keywords in the intention, I don't think they are up to 10.
sorry?
They are not up to 10. They are not up to 10.
Yeah, there are only 8. There are only 8.
Yes.
So if they can raise their hands, those are the ones that you need to ensure that they get everything kind of
Yes.
set up.
Yes.
The other guys about this, which I think they should already
Okay.
Okay.
So you might need to do the extension now, the step 2.
Okay, all right, okay. I'll see you guys later.
Okay. So click on the extension menu. Extension menu.
Extension menu. Where is the extension menu?
At the top. You know all your menus at the top. There is extension after tools.
Okay, yeah.
All your menus. Where is it?
Because this video, this Visual
because
Studio,
it's Zoom,
I know
because it's Zoom, you might need to hide
the
the
Zoom
panel.
is affecting it. So extension
So,
menu, yeah, this is one.
Yeah. After the session, go to your Zoom and do your setting, because in the setting you can say hide. When you're sharing screen, you can hide the panel. Did you get it blocked? Like for me now, I hide my panel, so that's why you cannot see my panel floating everywhere.
Floating over.
So
Okay. Extension
exactly.
menu, you said.
So you can still hide it. So now click on manage extension. Manage extension. Now in the search, type spec flow. Spec flows. We have a search field. Yes. Spec flow. And you can see that we have the online as well. You need to be online. So spec flow, you can see good. So you can see we just need the first one. But because Visual Studio 2022, you don't want to come up with different things, I would say install the 3 that you can see there. Because the 3 actually help your test. The second one is for Azure DevOps, which has to do with Azure DevOps Test Connector. Let's say you have a test plan, test suite, and then everything like that. You might not eventually use it. I'm just saying that. The third one has to do with spec flow features synchronized to Azure, which you might not even need, but because it's a 2022, I would say install everything, download everything, not install, download it. Download the first one, which is spec flow.
Okay.
Click on download. Yep. Let it finish and download the second one as well. Don't close it. Click on the second one. Download, please. Now click on the third one and download. Okay. Now when the download finishes, you need to click the button which says, you can see it says you should close. You need to close your Visual Studio. Whether you close, yeah. Okay. We might, it's like the breakout room is closing now. So please say something when we join the main meeting for Digit to extend it for us. But close your Visual Studio, you need to see the installer.
Okay. So
in case everybody is back in the main, or you can carry on sharing. Let's see if we still see you in the main meeting sharing screen.
No, yeah, I don't think it will work. Anyway, yeah.
Okay.
So I think we will stop here today.
Yeah, close.
Yeah.
Let me stop the recording as well.